Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here, September 1st. Welcome to the new month. All right, so we got a couple things to talk about. Number one, the markets are going to be closed this weekend. It is Labor Day weekend. I hope everybody's going to be enjoying that. Let's see, I'm going to be out here at my wife's cabin, our family cabin, do some skiing. So they love to do slalom skiing. I think our only good day is going to be Saturday, but hopefully you guys get out there, enjoy yourselves, enjoy the 3-day weekend, and remember what we are celebrating out there. Let's see. Also, we had a couple economic calendar situations here. We had non-farm payroll. We'll have to see how the market reacts to that. Unemployment rate kind of ticked up a little bit there. And then we got the non-farm payroll private. So we'll just have to see how the market reacts to that. For now, it is up. I would still be a little bit cautious about this. I've been actually looking for the market to pull back in through this area. We can actually see that there's a fairly good gap right here on the daily chart. So it's a little cautious going into this weekend over here. They might keep it propped up for the day, maybe, but I'm still looking for some sort of pullback test to confirm these moves. So I'm still kind of cautious in through. Let me see real quick, since the market just opened. Wow, okay. This is a huge number, actually. So we'll have to see. Still kind of concerned, cautious about that. We want to make sure that number actually sticks. But man, even despite the internals there, just remember the market opened 1 minute ago. So this is very, very fresh. We'll have to see how long that actually goes for. Probably a lot of people were short, and this might be a bit of a short squeeze. And when the shorts get squeezed out, there's nobody left to exit, they do tend to come down. So again, I'm kind of banking on this. This is a bit of an issue in through there. So anyway, I don't really want to be going long, like fresh long up here unless I'm day trading. I would definitely look for some sort of pullback, some sort of opportunity to get that. So we'll see. We'll see how that pans out. Remember, we got the 3-day weekend, so I got to decide if you want to be putting on a bunch of positions over a 3-day weekend and maybe just kind of wait for Monday. Or actually, Tuesday. Tuesday, since we have a 3-day weekend. All right, guys. Anyway, thanks again, and hope you enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you next week.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.